Hey, I got a task for you. See all those numbers over there? They're treated as a string. Just a bunch of numbers separated by commas. But what I need you to do, give me an average for each grouping. Good luck. Look at this guy. He thinks he's going to be able to take those numbers in the B column and find an average. Let's see what he comes up with. Hey, buddy, I don't think that plaid shirt's going to help you solve this one. Look at him. No. What's he do? What's it? No. Oh, dude, no. Why? Oh, yeah, 52.3. What's he gonna do now? Oh, yeah, parentheses. Okay, get that happen first. And then he's gonna divide by what? You found it. Oh, bummer. You're never gonna figure out how to do this. Just give up.
Hey,
yeah, find the average.
over here. Is this thing even on?
Hey,
come on, man.
Who's that?
You got this.
Get out of
Use
here.
the average function, but then nested within that average function, you'll use the TEXTSPLIT function. You gotta break the data up first before you find the average. All right, there you go. Average. Then TEXTSPLIT. What are you gonna split? Yep, you got it, B3. It's delimited by a comma and... Oh, yes, yeah. All right, we gotta make sure that they're numeric data. Good job, buddy. You nailed it. Don't worry about that other guy. He's an idiot.
Whoa, take it easy. Hey, that was cheating. No helping. No, you're supposed to do this all by yourself.
Hey, get out of here! That wasn't cheating. Everybody needs a little bit of help with Microsoft Excel. There's so much you can do in it. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next video.